Welcome to iIntelligence Sci. Let's see how to use a template in Gmail. Suppose you get lot of emails and most of the emails are similar and you need to send a same reply to the email. In such cases, this using of templates in Gmail will work wonders for you. It saves time, saves lot of energy. So let us go to the Gmail. For example, from another mail I have sent feedback. So I received the feedback that something is not well in the service department. Please see to it. So now I need to reply, right? So in order to reply, I'm just going it and typing the reply message mail. Yes, sir. I will see to it the alias. Regards. Right. So this is the reply which I am giving. Suppose the same mail comes for some other reasons from another people, for some say not the same mail, different mails come from for some other reasons, and I do need to give the same reply, right? Or some more details reply. Then in such cases, what I can do is I can save it as a template. Go to right side, more option. Oh, 1 minute. Insert signature, photo. Okay. Smart compound. Okay, go to settings. Okay, sorry. Before that, what you have to do is you have to go to the settings, right? Only then that particular concept will be activated. So what we do is you need to go to the setting, go to see all setting, go to advanced. Now this templates we need to enable. Normally, as per default mode, these are all will be disabled. Now first of all we need to enable it in order to use the template. After clicking enable for this particular template, you need to save changes. Only then this will work. Now go to this mail which you are receiving as a feedback. Now this is a draft. I have done it. Now you need to go and save it in the template, right? Save draft as template or save as new template, right? So here I am saving as new template. Save as new template, right? So feedback template. So whatever feedback comes, I need to give the reply, right? So feedback. So I am saving it. Now after saving in that particular template, we can use that template to send reply to any other mails that comes for this reason. Now I am sending it. Now I am going to the inbox. In case I am getting another mail such that Okay. Okay, now I got another feedback. So I'm clicking that feedback. So this is from some other person. Sir, dear sir, we need to maintain, see that the maintenance department is proper. So in such cases, we are going to reply, right? But we are replying it from the template which we already have. So in order to do that, what we do is go to more option, go to templates, and already we have a feedback template stored. Just click it. That's all. No need to type anything. Already everything has been typed. Ready. Dear sir, I will see to it at the earliest. Regards, so and so. Just send it. This is how you use templates in Gmail. Pretty simple, right? Yes, absolutely. Please try. It will work out. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching.